Hey guys, my name is Ali and I've recorded this video about 5 times because I'm very upset with it. I've not got it to where I liked it, but now I'm going to show you what I got from my mini ColourPop haul that I ordered from ColourPop. So, I've already swatched everything, but I'm going to swatch everything again because just for you guys. And on this channel, I haven't made an upload in about 3 years, which is kind of crazy, but now I'm trying to stick with it, so that's what we're gonna do today. So, I got my package, and I just ordered a few things because they just had like little sale. So, first thing that shows on this package, it says made in LA, and there's nothing else on it. It's just this pink package, little sparkles, very cute. But yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So when you first open it, you get this little thing that says your dreams came true. I really do like the packaging a lot. And you get this little card that says happy holidays with a little cute little bunny drawing little stars and sparkles, and has all their social media platforms on the bottom, and has ColourPop on the back. So a little cute card that you get with everything. So I ordered like a few things and just a few palettes and that, so I'm just going to show you what I got. Very first thing that I'm going to show you is the Dream Street palette with the Kathleen Lights collab that she did. You get 12 shades in this palette. It's a very cute palette. The packaging, like rose gold, little moon, stars, and stuff like that. And so also when I first received this, I was also it was a little open, but of course the collab that she did with them is about a year or so old, so of course they freshly pressed all the shadows into the palette, which is very nice. So I mean, if it's still here, still there, all the shadows still there, I think it's fine. So this palette is not that big. Here is the Naked palette compared to this palette. So I mean, it's not the biggest, definitely like travel size, so it's just a size comparison. So when you first open it, you get these very pretty shades in here. Got a few darks and a bit of lights in here. Again, a very like dreamy theme, and you can see how I swatched in there already before also recording this. But you also get some shimmers and some mattes. So the ones that stick out to me, I'm going to do Water Bearer. Just gonna do one finger and swipe. Very pigmented. And I'm just gonna place it on my hand. And I'm not disappointed at all with this. That was a matte shade, and I'm also going to go into this matte called Spark. Just gonna use my ring finger right here. One swipe. Again, very pigmented on the first swipe. I'm just gonna place it on my hand. It is not that in one swipe, maybe it's easier to blend it out, but definitely there is pigment there. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm using my computer and my room light for my lighting for right now. It's not like I have studio lighting right now, but this is the best I can do. Twinkle, very bright corner. Very pretty shimmer color. I'm just gonna take my index finger, do one swipe. Also, I could probably use these as a highlight, it looks like. So I'm just gonna swipe it on my hand. Ooh, that is very shimmery, very pigmented. I'm loving the shimmer in this one, so definitely good. Alright, so also another one I'm going to do, maybe one more shimmer, would be the Kaleidoscope in this corner right here. Sorry about the focus, but I'm just gonna go into that with my clean finger, and just, again, very pigmented. I'm not disappointed at all. Alright, it's more lighter than the Twinkle, but also very shimmery. So that was a little bit of the Dream Street palette. And there's some neutrals in there, a lot of shimmers in there. But I'm really loving this palette, so definitely gonna use that one a lot. And so another thing that I got was the Bretman Rock collab with ColourPop, and I love him a lot, so I decided to get his palettes. And I got his 2 mini palettes in Lit and Wet. And yes, the package is everything. I love it. And each of these mini palettes come with 8 shades, so we're going to be taking a look at those. So the first palette I'm going to go into is Lit, right here. Right, gonna open it. And the package looks like this. Again, compared to the Dream Street. Also a mini palette, so there you go. It's got this little cute gold lettering on it. Right, when you first open it up, it's got kind of like more red-ish tones for this mini palette right here. Right, and then the first thing that catches my eye is this Clio Amore, so we're just gonna go into that one. So I'm just gonna do one swipe of the finger on here. It's like right there. It's kind of light. I mean, my skin color compared to this maybe. Now the other color also looks very neat. It's called Mercy, a very bright shimmer color. Gonna take my finger, go on once with it. Again, these shimmers are very pigmented. Right? That's very, very nice. I think these shimmers are definitely like my favorite thing, I think, out of this whole ColourPop thing. So it's still on my finger, still shining bright. On my hand, definitely. And another shade I'm gonna go into is called, what it says, like, right here. This one is like kind of like the matte shade of this Mercy color. Just gonna do one. It's right there next to the Mercy one. Also very pigmented. Very nice. So the next one is going to be She Got Money. Looks like it's gonna be kind of like a shimmery kind. I'm gonna go in with my clean finger, and it's so very pigmented. Right. It's right here. So these shimmers are very nice. But also I'm really liking all the colors that go in together. This was the Lit mini palette. And now we're gonna go into the Wet mini palette. Also, it's the same size as the Lit palette. And it also has, it's just a silver, and it has the silver lettering on here. And just like the Lit palette. So they're just, I got them in a bundle also, but you can buy them separately, but just side by side. Alright, and so when you open it, it's just like kind of like the blue tones of the Lit palette, which was more like the red tones. Right here. So we have 4 shimmers and then the 4 matte. So I'm gonna go into this very dark shimmer called Mood, which is definitely a mood. Just gonna take one finger. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. We're gonna just watch it just once. Oh my gosh. Yo, you bet that color is shining. Again, these shimmers, I have not been disappointed like at all. Alright. So that was the color Mood. And now another color is going to be like another shimmer because these shimmers are just standing out. We're going to go with LOL, I'm Crying. Kind of like this blue tealish color. That is also a shimmer. So I'm going to go in once. Also like a bright pigment. Ooh, that is a very aqua tealish right there. Ooh. I know on camera it is not looking that bright, but for me right now it is very, very pigmented and very sparkly too. So this time we're gonna go into a matte. I'm chillin', kind of like a little bit purple tone, but more like a darker blue. We're gonna go in with this clean finger, just once. Right, also, right, swipe that once. It's kind of lighter than I thought it was gonna be. But also after I feel like a few more swatches, it can go on very easily, can blend easily. So yeah, that was the I'm Chillin'. So this last shade that stands out to me is called Thickums. It is a very silvery kind of shimmer, so we're just gonna go in once with this finger. Okay, and then you get pigment all the way with this one. So I'm just gonna go in once again. Oh my gosh, and that is hella shiny right there. That's very... And so it also has a few like neutral colors with the Ewa Beach and Skinny Legend, which are more of like the brown tones, and then you have this finished shade, which is kind of like a light, very light blue. So those were the palettes that I got from ColourPop, and I just have a few more things that I got from them. Not that much, but I also got a concealer, no filter concealer, just a simple little one, and I got the shade medium 26. Just the usual concealer, stuff like that. Okay, this is just what the brush is. Very, very bendy, very nice. And the last two things that I got was also from the Brit Rock collection. And I got an item with glitter, just glitterly obsessed, and I got it in the shade Shelit. And it just comes into this little glitter package, kind of like a red and gold color. And I've never worked with glitter ever, so I'm gonna be trying this out. So it's kind of like body glitter, and you can use it wherever you want. And a lot of glitter in there. Just get this whole little pot of it. And I'm mostly going to be using this for eyeshadow and stuff like that, but you can also use it maybe like on your cheeks a little bit, or just, you know, wherever you please kind of thing. And the very last thing that I got is a liquid lip. So with the Brit Rock collab. And the first thing that you open the package is very, very luxury. And this is a shade called Wig. A very dark red. Not that dark of a red, but just like a dark red. And it says Ultra Satin Lip. Got little flames, little gold flames around it. Right, and so when you swatch this, right, and I'm just gonna go in one time. Ooh. That is just one swatch. I'm kind of like blending it out a little bit now, and it blends out very easily. This is a very pretty shade. And maybe it may dry or something like that. I'm not sure about them, but it's just a good satin lip. Alright, so that is what I got in my mini ColourPop haul. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave a like and a comment about any other things that I should try out, maybe any other videos I should do. And subscribe if you want to. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks!